Hey Product Hunt community, my name is Botter. I'm one of the co-founders of Adaptive, and over the past 9 months, we built the most intelligent LLM inference platform, and I'm going to show it to you now. It's super easy to use Adaptive. Go to llmadaptive.uk. It'll bring you to our landing page, and you can click here to go to the API platform, sign up with a method of your choosing. I sign up with Google, fill in the missing fields, so I'm going to go to UK, and that'll bring you to our onboarding wizard. You can say your organization, give an optional description, for example, most intelligent element for this platform, which is what we do, and a test project. And you'll be prompted to generate an API key. I'll generate one, but we're going to continue onwards. And you'll be brought to our dashboard at the end. You can either go through a tour, a guided tour, but I'll do the tour this time. And you can see here all these key performance metrics, and as well we can start comparing costs when you have usage. And from here, I will go to the API keys page. I'll create an API key. And you can see here, I can click copy of the API key, and I'm presented with examples that I can immediately start testing. As of now, we support OpenAI or Anthropic messages, with Gemini coming very soon. In our case, I'm just going to try the OpenAI route. So if I do a sample curl here, and we get back a response almost immediately. And we have very good integrations with OpenAI SDK. I'll just show a TS example, but this is applicable in Python or whatever language you're choosing. You override the API key with the adaptive API key and the base URL, and you're done. And you can start saving 69%. We can run the OpenAI example just to show you that we support both non-streaming and streaming approaches. And while that's running, I'm going to show you the other approach that we have, which is, and all examples completed. So you can see here the streaming came in, everything came in, and you can see the other example. If you don't want to use, for example, our inference, and you want to kind of do that on your end, it's quite easy as well. So you just do a fetch to this /select middle endpoint with the following base URL, and using your adaptive API key as authorization. You can pass in kind of this models array, which says what I want to route between. So what this is saying is I want to route between OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google models. So just provider only. And you can do provider and model name if you have specific models in mind. Or you can do model only, in which, for example, this is useful when there's multiple providers for a model. And that way you can have resilience if one of them goes down. Supports tool calling as well. So it supports like these multi-turn tool calls, because we determine based on the tool call which model to call. So we're very good for agentic use cases as well. And last but not least, the Anthropic SDK here. So as you can see here, just run it from here. So we'll have that running, and you can see kind of the response that we're going to get back. And there we go. So it shows GPT-4o mini for most of them, and having GPT-4o as an alternative. And that's because we do caching, semantic caching. So if your query is similar, we don't have to select the model. We already have it in our cache. And that's it. Thank you for watching my demo, everyone. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to the demo, and we hope you have an amazing time using Adaptive. We truly have internally, and we wanted to share that with you all. And please feel free to contact me or any of my co-founders if you have any issues.